have an answer for that, please let us know.
What's your biggest light bulb moment upcoming to happen?
Okay, so two light bulb moments, I would say. One is that as an entrepreneur, the weakest points I see in my capabilities, in my mental model, are being discussed upfront, and I have a path towards working with other entrepreneurs or other people who have been through this journey to actually improving upon them. So A, I have realized that I have gaps in how I think, and B, that those need to be addressed, and this is the forum or the group which will help me work through them. So I think that's a huge amount of importance to me. The other part is that some of the things which I've experienced myself, the highs and lows and the ways of building a quilt with a patchwork of fabric, like other people's rejects are your input material. So this way of thinking and these things which I've slowly learned myself are being reinforced here, and this is what other seasoned entrepreneurs also think are the right things to be doing, is also extremely important. So my past failures and successes are also being reflected upon by the community is something which is again aha. So past journey is being reinforced and future gaps and trajectories are being supplemented is actually the two takeaways from what I think in the first week.